Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. I'm going to show you how to assemble Divan bed. I bought this bed for my guest room. So what we're going to do right now, just to show you how to assemble this. Okay. So we've got two bays. This is the bottom one. This is the first and second one. So we're going to start from this, and this one is the headboard. So this is the information pack. So this is the tools that you need. So you need this tool. This is for the legs. Now you need hammer with this. So this will go just going to push it inside. You can use hammer, or you use just give it a whack. This in. Okay. This in. Okay, I think this one will go to the headboard. So we'll put this by the side at the moment. So this is okay, you can see this is for you to pull out the drawer. Okay, so we need to remove this to be able to pull the drawer out. Okay. So use this to pull. This is for the drawer. Okay. So this one. Okay, so do the same thing. You can use hammer to do this, okay? So before you put this down on the floor, you need to make sure that you remove this glue that is holding it. Now what we need to do is to put this on the floor. Once you put it on the floor this way, push it this way. This is the second base. And also this is anti-slippery. Okay, so there's a spot here where the headboard will go in, headboard. So you just need to press it here and it will go inside here. So what we need to do right now is to now what we need to do is the screw right here. do the same thing right here. So this will tighten the headboard. Okay, it's in. Now do the same thing right here. Okay, see, this one is in. Now what we need to do is just need to bend this down on the floor for us to see. Okay. Now what we need to do is take the headboard. Right. Actually, the headboard actually supposed to be inside before, so we did it actually incorrect. What we need to do right now is we know where it is, so we need to put the headboard inside before. So the headboard goes in first. So what you need to do is the headboard needs to go in first. So what you need to do is the headboard needs to go in first, and once you're done, that will be this bed will be ready. Okay, thank you very much guys, and thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you.